guys, today we're baking back to our channel.
What?
Marasa.
Room tour.
You'll find out more.
Yes. Good morning, girls. So I just woke up now. I'm going to the main house for breakfast. First of all, I'm going to have this. Juicy. Trees are super juicy. Oh my god. Okay, but then I like the long mangoes, the long ones, but those ones you see at the main house over there. We're supposed to name these dogs, they don't have names. So organic, right? Guys, I don't know, I think that I love life in Nairobi, but life in Kisumu is a whole vibe, honey. I love it here. Talking of palm trees, these trees are here to give me life. Okay, so here are the mangoes that I like. Let me move closer. There's actually a difference between the round ones and the long ones, and for me I like the long ones. I love them long. These ones. You see the difference? And now we are going to the city center. We're going to do a little shopping, and I'm going to pick Henrik. But no, he's coming later, but yeah, he's coming at about 7 p.m. So this is like the best day of my life. I get to see two people that I love so much. One, my little sister. Second, my love. Oh my god, my life is Maisha heaven. Okay, the vlog is on, Tasha.
Hi! Welcome to the channel.
Guys, if you ever came at me saying that my makeup is sweaty, now this is sweaty, okay? I always like it glowy, moist, but this is sweaty. There's a big difference. Now go back and delete that comment. I'm waiting. Here's my lovely driver.
Hi!
Hey.
I'm single.
Yeah.
I'm single.
Wololo. Traffic situation here, honey. Na hiyo tumbo jamani, she's pregnant. Yeah, what?
Throw this shade on me, like they all hate on me. Don't bring that rage on me. Why they throwing shade on me, like they ashamed on me? I thought, what age are we?
Hey girls, so now I'm at a mall called Acacia. It's actually a hotel, and my little sister is waiting for me there. I'm going to see her for the first time. Oh gosh, I'm excited. I'll ask Tasha to vlog this for me. Sister! Hey! Yeah! My wig is snatched! Oh my god! Oh my god! Is this my wig now? Okay, this is hilarious. Hi, Bill. Hi, Siri. Oh, should we fix my wig? Hi, baby girl. Oh my gosh, she's gorgeous. We just finished having lunch. My hair keeps moving, so obviously it's a wig, duh. But now I think we're going to the next. You know your sisters, when the best place to hang out is the shopping mall. Why?
Hey guys, it's very exciting here. I'm so happy to be here with my sis. It was just like a surprise, and I'm so happy. You're not even speaking lovely. Hi! I'm going to swim, and I'm so shy talking loudly, and I'm having a good time with my sister. It's just normal. I'm fine. Okay.
Okay, go swim now.
wish I could rewind it. Only us. Oh, I left you when we were blinded. Now time is up, and we tried so hard to fight it, but we knew we couldn't fight it.
Hi, Akotsi here. Rachel is in town.
I'll just do another vlog. I'll do a vlog.
Okay.
Hello guys. Today we're baking back to our channel. Today we're in Acacia. So we're going to play with my sister. Subscribe to this video or else.
Put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light, take a smoke. Put your broken rib off, wayfarers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down. We'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, still be up.
We're on our way to the airport to go pick up Henrik. God knows how excited I am. Oh my God, I think my excitement level is unimaginable right now.
I longed for this moment to have you for myself. In a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
We are making a gingerbread house and it's my first time. I'm so excited. Just watch how we are doing.
We're over here doing housework. Tasha is over there busy trying to mop balcony. Bad. Hey, house girl Tasha. House girl Rich is right over here with the mop. It's going good. Guys, real quick on my little DIY project. So I just took this and tied it with this, and I think it looks cute.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
So they pulled down the houses here, and then they destroy a town work rates here and there.
Back to my channel.
No, this is Henrik and Rachel. Hi, Henchels.
Hi, Jess.
We're in the Impala Sanctuary now.
Oh, I'm gonna fall down.
Talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting.
Now they are showing their best part.
What?
Marasa.
Hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all.
It's not shy at all.
Hello, Baboon. Mr. Baboon.
Hey girls, so now we are at Kiboko Bay and I've brought my little sister here for swimming. I can't help but Henrik will always be here. You know, he has to be here because he is here.
I'm the little sister.
Yeah, it's so nice here. Okay, dive then.
Then we'll see here.
Kamu ni burute.
Can we go to Kiboi Market now?
Kibui, what?
Kiboi Market.
No.
You're beautiful the way you are, sweetie.
Yeah. So for all ladies, please do not attempt to bleach. Black is beauty. Thank you.
When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like
So today, it's kind of a sad day. Not really the most. Say hi at the back. I'm here with my sister. Say hi.
Hi.
What are you doing today?
First, we need to go for a funeral at the airport, waiting for the body to arrive, and it's so sad, but later on you'll see our day because you're going to the city and you'll get to have fun with us.
Don't tell them too much.
You'll find out more.
Yes. Room tour. Go up.
There's a balcony here. Well, we don't know the keys. Then these are the closets. Well, you can see them. Then this is our mirror. When you're a lady, you can put your makeup and all that stuff. For now, Tasha left here when it's dirty. And here is where you can put your stuff.
Where?
These are my photos. So that I can get figurable. Then,
You can get what?
nothing.
Okay.
Then, that's all.
summer love. You and me, we kept on riding in your arms. The only place I wanna hide, yeah. I give it up. All for you, baby, keep trying. But the city's getting
Hi.
Yeah, she's not necessarily excited today. So now we are heading back to Nairobi. We'll spend our New Year's there. And after that, I'm excited for this coming vacation. But I'm going to take you guys along. I won't tell you about it, but yes, we have a vacation together. I know this is the Goals channel, but I'm here with Henrik on vacation. It's almost impossible to avoid talking about him or talking to him or showing him here because everything that I do now is revolving around us. So yes, I bring him along both with Henschels. So hey Henschels, if you're here. You know, your mom is African when this happens. And it's time to go to Nairobi. And they have all this. Hello, good morning. Good morning. What, Mambo? Here we are. There is the lava. This is the airport. That's the cloud.
I'm the Shenge. What's it called?
Shemeji.
I'm the Shemedje. It's Tamla.
There's thunder there. Whoa. That was close. Hey Kisumu, bye! Bye Kisumu, it's been real. Let's say bye. Bye on his behalf.